The observer effect in quantum mechanics refers to how the act of measuring or observing a quantum system can influence its state. This phenomenon arises from the fundamental nature of particles, which can exist in multiple states or locations at once, a concept known as superposition. When an observation is made, the system collapses into one of those states, revealing a single outcome. One of the most famous experiments illustrating this effect is the double-slit experiment. When particles, such as electrons, are fired at a barrier with two slits, they create an interference pattern on a screen behind the barrier, suggesting that each particle passes through both slits simultaneously, behaving as a wave. However, when scientists measure which slit the particle goes through, the interference pattern disappears, and the particles behave like particles, demonstrating that measurement alters the system. While the term observer effect emphasizes the role of an observer, it is important to note that the observer does not need to be a conscious being. It can refer to any measuring device or interaction that affects the quantum system. This means that the influence on the particle occurs due to the measurement process itself, not necessarily due to a human observer. Scientists have explored methods to minimize the influence of measurement, such as weak measurement techniques. These methods allow for some information to be gained about the system while preserving its superposition to a degree. However, the act of measurement cannot be completely isolated from influencing the behavior of the particle. In discussing the observer effect, some may draw parallels with beliefs such as the evil eye, which suggests that negative intentions can influence a person's health or circumstances. While both concepts involve the idea that observation or attention can impact outcomes, they arise from different contexts. The observer effect is grounded in the physical principles of quantum mechanics, whereas beliefs like the evil eye are rooted in cultural and superstitious traditions. In summary, the observer effect highlights a key aspect of quantum mechanics. Measurement fundamentally alters the system being observed. While there may be thematic similarities between the observer effect and beliefs in the evil eye, they operate within vastly different frameworks. The relationship between observation and behavior continues to be a fascinating area of study, challenging our classical understanding of physics and prompting further exploration of the nature of reality.